Hi everyone. Uh, Last class we had discussed about BCG matrix. It's very important management BCG matrix. It's one of the strategy. Now we are going to discuss in this session industry best practices. So every organization they are having some best practices. So the last session we had discussed about the benchmark. Benchmark is nothing but standards. So in each organization, we take that compared to one organization to other organization, they are having some benchmark or standards. So now we are going to discuss industry best practices, pragmatic benchmarking and benchmarking. So pragmatic benchmarking is a method of measuring a company's process method and procedures in a way that all functions in great details. Benchmarking, a process of comparison with a superior performer. So you don't take it's a low performer. You can take your next level, that is a superior performer anywhere in the world to improve quality. The following are the types of benchmarking. Process benchmarking is a business process, financial benchmarking, performance benchmarking, product benchmarking, strategic benchmarking, functional benchmarking. Benchmarking is classified into two groups: internal benchmarking, external benchmarking. Internal benchmarking refers to comparison within the organization or industry. That is the internal benchmarking. External benchmarking refers to comparison with outsiders. So, do you know that difference between internal and external? Internal is within the organization. So that's only we are saying that comparison within the organization itself, and external benchmarking refers to comparison with outsiders. Steps in benchmarking: planning, analysis, integration, and action are the four steps recognized in the process of benchmarking. Targets are set and activities are conducted to reach them. So, in the four steps, what are they? Planning, analysis, integration, action. Planning determine the process, service, or the product to be benchmarked on which matrices are assigned for collection of data. Analysis analyze the data gives input for comparison with the target company's performance on the parameter benchmark on which data was collected. Integration is a joint together, so resources are required across all functions to achieve the target needs. Integration involves putting together resources like people, equipment, and communication so that progress is unhindered. Action: when changes are needed, actions have to be planned according to the steps earlier stated. The teams are provided with necessary leadership, authority, and supporting facilities to enable them to complete all activities within the time frame set for the purpose. Manufacturing strategies. There are many types of competitive priorities for process used in the manufacturing of product. The production systems are batch production, mass production, customized production, assembled products. Batch production means you are going to produce your goods in batches. Mass production is a total, huge. Customized production, whatever your requirement, you are going to produce your product. So assembled products, you are going to assemble your product. So the following are the three dominant strategies: make to stock, assemble to order, make to order. Make to stock: manufacturing firms adopt this strategy to ensure immediate delivery of the product, minimizing delivery time in some chemical or soft drink. So it's related to the make to stock. Assemble to order: this strategy serves as a competitive priority of customization and ensure fast delivery. Example: paints to colors or furniture. Make to order: the firm set to process that suit the manufacturer based on the customer requirement. This strategy gives a higher degree of customization, one of the major competitive priority. So you can give the customized product to the customers. Next, we are going to discuss strategic fit. So in every organization, we are using the strategy, but it will be the suitable only the organization will success. So that's only we are saying it's a strategic fit. Strategic fit expresses the degree to which an organization is matching its resources and capabilities with the opportunities in the external environment. So in the strategic fit, not only you can suitable for the internal environment as well as external environment. So in addition, strategic fit also examine the resource base of the organization and explores how they can be utilized to achieve maximum benefit. So whether the strategy it will be suitable for the organization, then only you will get maximum benefit. Maximum benefit in the sense the customers will be more and also the profit will be more. So that is the strategic fit. So what are the resources and capabilities of strategic fit? Resources relate to the input to production owned by the company, whereas capabilities describe the accumulation of learning the company process. Resources can be classified both as tangible and intangible. So last session itself we had discussed tangible, it will be seen, it will be touched, so tangible. Intangible, it cannot be seen, like a goodwill, right? Okay, so tangible, financial, cash and securities, physical, location, plant and machinery, intangible, technology, patents or copyrights, that is intellectual property rights. So what is the purpose we are using intellectual property rights? We are going to protect your design, protect your technology. So patents, copyrights, human resource, reputation, brand, and culture. So these are the intangible assets. Next, we are going to discuss about very important terminology, merging and acquisition. That is a merger and acquisition. Merging is nothing but combining the combination of two companies. Many companies we can see in the practical itself, like Airtel, Bharati Airtel, Maruti Suzuki, right? So same like that, it's a merging, Hero Honda. Okay, so strategic fit can also be used to evaluate specific opportunities like merging. Acquisition is nothing but take over that particular company. For example, if you take it as a Hutch, now it's converted to the Vodafone. So some acquisition will be happened. So in addition, merging and acquisition transaction with the acquiring firm, the possibility of achieving positive synergy effect, meaning that the two merged companies are worth more together than the sums of their parts individually. So the strategic fit means the merging that particular companies, merging that particular companies, they join together to achieve a more targets. That's only we use it for the merging. Supply chain management is a very important in operation management. So information flow from the supplier to manufacturer, manufacturer to distribution, distribution to retail outlet, and transfer to the consumer. So this is the structure of the supply chain management. So it's an internal fit and as well as the external fit. So competitive challenges, company values, and employee concern. These are the external fit. So high performance work system. So the internal fit, workflow design. So we are using the hard work as well as smart work. So most of the organization they're using smart work. So workflow design, HR practices, technologies, what they are using, leadership. So these are the very important internal fit and external fit. You can see that example for Nike, just do it. And also we can see that example for the Walmart. It's the biggest retail store. It's a success in that all around the world. It's a number one. Why? It means every day the low prices of product, but wide variety of products they have to sell in that Walmart. So buys from low cost producers, owns its infrastructure and distribution network. Next, custom made computer system at a reasonable cost, that online ordering, no middleman like Amazon, right? So customized. If you want, you can buy it. Otherwise, you can leave it. Like examples are iPhone and MacBook. These are the examples. The strategic not fit. Nobody they are using the button fold, so obstacles to achieve strategic fit. So it's not suitable for the customers. Now most of them they are not right. So these are the merging failure companies like T-Mobile, and also GM and Chrysler, IBM, Comcast, Microsoft, and USA, right? Okay. So strategic fit, Nokia, Microsoft, wait and see, still in process. Maybe it will be successful. Okay. So strategic execution steps is very important. So thank you all. We'll discuss in the next session strategic execution steps.